Okay, let's try my new coffee machine. Here I have milk, and here I have 8 different coffee I can make. Automatic. First time I try, I don't know if it's working. Now we take cappuccino. We try. Oh, it sounds a lot. Oh yeah. I have coffee beans here, up here. You see? Oh yeah, see. If we make automatic or if I have to press something, I don't know. I never try it. But we wait and see. Maybe come soon. Yeah. Now something happened. Oh yes, something comes. Oh yeah, we see. Maybe a roy or not a roy. I have to try. Cappuccino, 35 milliliter. Here you can change if you want to have big or small. We try this first. Finish? No, he not finished. He make more. Now coffee come. Oh yes, very good machine. I like. Wow. Yeah, if you want to have bigger, you can take bigger. Milk system clean. Okay. Oh. Place the milk tube. Ah. Yeah. They clean. Oh yeah. They cleaning. Good machine. Clean alone. Okay, let's try. Cappuccino alla Tony. Oh, very good. I love it. Super good coffee. Now we're going to try. I have 8 coffee to try today. I have to try everything. Okay, thank you for watching. Over and out.